Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. My name is Scott Barnes, and in today's video, I thought we would go over accessories. That's right, you know me, when it comes to the beard and the mustache and style and clothes, it's all cohesive, right? We want things to look good, we want things to be right, so that way when we're going out, we're presenting ourselves, we've got just this masculine look, this confident look as men that we're going out there, that we know what we're doing and we know how to style. Now, over the past few months, I have met some of the most wonderful and beautiful people, and one of those is Randy Brown from Thunderhorse Descendant. And she makes beautiful and wonderful jewelry. Now, I've always been wearing a watch, but on the right side, my wrist feels a little bare. Now, I bring this video up because as men, it's nice to accessorize. There comes a limit of how much you want to do, but for me, I think adding a little flair to the wrist, a little watch here and there, a necklace is fine and dandy. And Randy does these amazing pieces of jewelry for men and women. And that's the one thing that I like about her the most, is that she makes feminine jewelry and she makes masculine jewelry. And one other thing she does is the packaging always goes well. She loves me so much. For Scott, what can I say? And this is always fun, you know, if you support someone, I don't know, she supported me, so I gotta support her. And this has always been me. I always like adding on, you know, I like a little flair to my game, and she does a great job. And anything you wanna request, she can provide. And if I'm not mistaken, she does giveaways. She's got a Facebook, she's got YouTube Live. To be honest, she does more than I do, and that's why her business is exploding. So please go visit her website. I'm gonna put everything down in the description below. So with that, to all's good and kudos to Randy Brown from Thunderhorse Descendant. So that being said, check her out, check me out on all the social media. Love you guys, and I will see you on the flip side. See ya.